For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the.
What is going on, guys? We are almost to Motor Mile Dragway. Today is a STR Cash Days small tire stick shift street car. This is like the first no prep race that I think has ever really been at Motor Mile. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Got Levi with us today, Cashy back there. Wife and daughter are coming, and we've already done a little bit of rescue work today. Fellow racer was having overheating problems, and so we're just now pulling in the track. Early starting race today, 11 o'clock for the chip draw. So it is 9:40, and we're pulling in. Luckily, this place is only a short drive from our house, and we have only been here once this year, so should be fun. We're gonna run Whitey if all goes to plan, and I think Steve is here, Andrew will be here, Nate with the Catfish Camaro is going to be here, or is here, and then there should be quite a bit of people that we know. Seth O'Brien with the Pontiac, Jansen will be here. There's going to be quite a few, so it should be a good time. We're going to just come out here and have a blast. It's overcast right now. I think that's going to go away, and we should be good. So we'll see. Hopefully there's good attendance today. I enjoy only driving an hour to race. It is nice. So I do know Rob Doms is going to be here today. I don't know.
He's got the blue fox.
Yes, he has a blue fox hatch. So all right, we're gonna pull in here, and there's actually nobody at the gate yet, but I already see some cars, so let's get to it. My ratios down there, but that may help you out.
Thing where you buy shirts and sign up for the classes. And
we're gonna see. I mean,
so, yeah.
When I don't get out the hole, I'm gonna have to make up on the big end.
I don't want nobody get burned up. Okay?
Honestly,
y'all got any questions?
February race is going to be
a little different
64 small tire cars and 64.
STR has seats set up. They got some merchandise.
Here's our first round pair. Jack Cross versus Main Squeeze.
A little bit later on today, Bangalite.
It's a nitrous.
Free merchandise for all y'all. All little kids, y'all ready for some racing?
We got Kermit. Pretty cool. news, I know why now.
Business, or you fucking know who makes you money and who don't.
If you own a payroll,
What's the buy?
all your money like mine.
What number are you?
Fuck yourself.
What number are you?
Good luck. Look, Dad's like, you fucked me, Andrew.
That is unfucking believable.
Okay. You're down there far. Hey, man.
Oh, no.
Hey, man.
You know me and him drew each other again.
You know what I got? I got a buy run, boys. I got a buy run.
Hey,
This man.
Did you draw? You drew? But you drew him again, right?
yes, and we traded.
That's a third race in a row.
third race in a row.
I'm tired of this.
Dude, y'all gonna have to get
Say what it is.
either.
Y'all keep
Do y'all draw
parking
close to
together.
each other or farther away?
No, I went in first.
Yeah.
I was the third guy in.
I was
And he
probably
comes
fourth or
in-
fifth.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like stick your hand at the same
Well,
time.
we did last time. We did opposite. We didn't go
Deep.
at the same time.
They keep parking together. Tell them
That's
quit
what it
parking
is.
together.
Yeah, y'all have to park away from each other.
Number 4.
Hell yeah.
Once you get me and send me a video of the line. We need to have flags.
All right, I'm gonna go put some air in the tires, and we have a buy run first pair. So Seth is running Steve, and I'm not sure about the rest of them. Pretty freaking awesome. I got a buy run. Let's go. Let's go. Zip them up. All right, so we are first pair, second round, and it's a little interesting. It's a little crazy. The chip draw is getting wild. I had to buy, and it did something funny on the launch, but we'll see. We'll see what it does here. Hopefully, it acts right. Oh well, it's a street car. What do you think? Tell them something. Yeah. Nice weather out here today. There's the man, Corey. There you go. There you go.
us a light.
All right, so we made it. I ended up running Stephen Fulcher and got the win. I'm running a White Fox body now, 3rd round, and hopefully we can get a win. I don't know how fast it is, but it's time. None of the KOTV guys drew each other. Steve is still in, Andrew is still in. Andrew got the bye. Steve is running the Scarlett's Performance Firebird here. It's a bad unit, so all right, let's go make a hit, see what we can do. Boom, baby. Let's go.
He's been hitting right lane all night.
Me too.
Yeah, so you want right lane.
All right, so we beat Andrew. Hate to run a buddy, but we both had the bye runs. So got him on the leave. so it did pretty good. And then we're gonna run street car. I'm running the Scarlet Performance Firebird. It is a wicked ride, so it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet. So here's what I'm running. We'll see if old Whitey can squeak a win by. All right, guys, so we made it back to the house, and man, what a crazy time. Got to race the Firebird there. Lost by about 2 cars, something like that. So Whitey put up a heck of a fight. That car don't owe me anything. So then we got to run Steve, Grudge race. Steve stole the hit off of me, and I was just not on the tree as much as he was. And top end margin was 0.005, 5/1000ths of a second. So it was crazy. It was an amazing race. With me and Steve, it's always going to be on the tree with our 2 cars. It's just a fact. So amazing time. Got to run some really awesome cars. Whitey just was on it. Before the finals, I was on the light pretty good, and finals, I gave him a little bit. You know, it wasn't just I didn't tree him at all. That's for sure. So can't beat it. We had an amazing time. It's before 9 o'clock. What time is it? Yeah, it's before 9 p.m. and we're home. I mean, this is awesome. So yeah, I mean, can't thank the guys with STR. I think it's small town or small time racing. The cash days deal, the no prep was amazing. It just went without a hitch. I wouldn't change anything. It was great. I mean, we had a good crowd there, some good racing. I got to run Andrew with the 6th-gen Camaro, and it was another awesome race. I mean, Whitey is just really was doing good. I could not. I mean, it was a bracket car too, so everything was no time. So I'm not going to, delude the times of all the other cars that I raced. I know Andrew don't care. I know Steve doesn't care, but the other cars. But it was awesome. It was just a good time. Got to meet some people that I hadn't met before. Got to meet Rob, Doms, and some guys from Virginia and some different things like that I hadn't gotten to race with and talk with. So it was a great time. So if you're ever able to go out to one Motor Mile Dragway, come on out. It was freaking awesome. I mean, it was just really good time. So that's going to be it for this video, and hopefully in the next few videos the Zephyr will be going, and we'll have that one out there. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record. For the record, yeah. For the